All right, folks, a beautiful sunny day here in Northeast Tennessee. Thankful to be here, folks. You are looking at a crazy septic setup, but it works. And this is the job where the homeowner tried to do it himself and couldn't. But so we had to put this thing in a crazy area, and tank was already set, so we weren't going to mess with that. So we had to run this pipe that goes from the tank, the outlet, into the chamber. Ooh, I'm going to say we ran it at about 105 feet, somewhere right in there. Oh, folks, tired of digging out of breath, but here it goes, folks. So, and this pipe gets deep. So this is one of the crazier ones that we have done here. Crazy. Oh, let me jump over here. And you can see it's clean out here where he comes out of the house. We had to go back around and under it. But folks, let me tell you, and even the inspector knows that we didn't have an inch to spare. And this was the only way we could do the pipe going to the tank, and the only way we could do the chamber, the field lines. It was it. No other way. Now this down there gets about 4 foot deep in a couple of spots. So here we go. Craziness. Crazy. Yeah, and we had one spot to put chamber because his best spot, he had messed up. Sorry, folks, I fell. He had messed up, so we had no choice but to put it back here. And I am thankful that the inspector was in the area the day we were out here shooting the transit and trying to figure out what to do. I am thankful the inspector showed up. And so this crosses over down there into this next section of chamber. I believe this one's 100 feet, this middle one here. We got another row of chamber over there. And you see how this is here? That's how we do this here in Tennessee. That's how it gets done. And I know not every place is like this where you have to go up and then over into your next chamber, but you got to go up, and I ain't gonna explain to you why right now. But anyway, that's it. Right down into the next chamber. Crazy. We used a lot of pipe here. Lots of pipe. It's just so unexpected, you know. So unexpected. Anyway, folks, got an inspection coming at some point tomorrow. And tomorrow is Wednesday. We've got rain coming in Thursday late afternoon. And so I'm working on a driveway tomorrow and cutting in. The driveway's cut in. I just got to kind of finish up that job, a pad and a driveway. And that's where I am going tomorrow, loaded up and ready. And we'll be back here to cover this up before the rain. We'll see you.